Hey everyone, I'm back with another build video. This one will be for pack 9. So let's go ahead and jump in here. I forgot to show these in the pack 8 video. These, I guess they're stabilizers. And what those will do is on the back, they'll kind of, there's like a little notch on there. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, sorry. So anyway, they'll sit like that. And there's 4 of those. So anyway, that was part of pack 8. So anyway, now we're on to pack 9. This big piece here, we glued some details on. These 2 circular things. I'm not going to say what they actually look like. But yeah, that's those. And then like this triangle piece. And then some trim pieces up here. So there's that. The big thing is I got the main saucer part of the frame for the bottom done, and included in that is the boarding ramp. I don't yet have a test board to be able to test this. This is the motor back here. And then we had to assemble these they're supposed to look like the hydraulic lifts on the Falcon. Lot of little tiny fiddly details on there. I don't know if you can even see it, but down at the bottom of each one of those legs, there's like a little foot with a pivot that's got the tiniest little pin you have to push in there. That took a bit to get that done. And then I did do a bit of painting on the surface of the ramp. I just kind of hand painted it with like a mix of like a light gray and a black acrylic paint. I hand painted it because I wanted it to look kind of streaked, make it look like it was used, which everyone knows the Falcon is very used. And then also, you can't see it right now because I don't have any way to power up the motor, but under the motor then there's an LED light strip. That's what this plug is here. So when the ramp goes down, those LED lights will come on and it'll be boarding lights for the ramp. So I thought that was kind of a neat detail. But yeah, there's the whole saucer section of the bottom of the ship. Very cool to have that done. Quite a heavy piece, pretty sturdy. So we'll just move that to the side for right now. And then the other thing we did, this is one of the gunner ports. There's one on the bottom of the ship, and then there's one on the top. But we did the first one of those, and there's, if it'll focus, there's an LED light in there. Now the instructions didn't say anything about painting or detailing that seat, probably because you won't be able to see it much, because there's like the grate piece that'll go over it with supposed to be glass in it, and it'll light up. But I wanted to just kind of paint it, bring out some details on the seat and on the controls, because otherwise everything was just molded in this same dark gray plastic, and I didn't want to leave it like that. So anyway, there's the cord for the LED light. So anyway, that's all there was to do in this pack. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll be back when I get some more done.